Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer a screenshot and clip from Xbox to PC or phone. So you can easily transfer Xbox screenshot and clip using OneDrive or the Xbox app. So I'm going to share with you two different methods at which you can get this done. So the first method is using the Xbox app, which is the fastest way. So install the Xbox app on your PC or your mobile, then sign in with your Xbox account, then tap library, then go to captures to see your screenshots and clips, then select a file and download it to your device. Then on the other method, you can upload to OneDrive for cloud backup. So on your Xbox, go to capture and share recent capture, then select a screenshot or clip, then click more option, then click on upload to OneDrive. Then open the OneDrive on your PC or on your mobile to access and download the file. Now you can easily access and share your Xbox captures anywhere. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.